Hi, in this video, we are going to discuss some more features from the tabs and ribbons which would help you gain more control over what you are doing. For instance, let us understand the agenda first. What are we going to learn today? We are going to learn more about the task panes and the dialog boxes. Okay, so what are dialog boxes and what are task panes? Let's see and understand. Now you can see we have various groups of tabs. All of them are grouped together which help you perform a certain class of functions. Now this is a clipboard which helps you for copy, paste and all those stuff. Then you have the font which helps you work around with fonts. Now while you're working around with fonts, let us say you need more control. In that case, you can see small icons over there which are called the dialog box launchers. Okay, so you can click over there and you get more options which help you gain more control over the fonts or any other option you are working with. Okay, so whenever you require more control, more options in order to work around with something that you are doing, you can launch a dialog box and you can get ahead and start doing with that. Great. So this is what is a dialog box. Likewise, you can have something like maybe a picture. Okay, let us insert a picture and see. Let me search for a picture. Okay, so for instance, this device or maybe somewhere. Okay, I have some saved pictures. Let me see. No items. Okay, something's from camera. Okay, I have a picture, so let me insert a picture of myself. So this is my picture. So now when you can see there are some kind of options which are already available over here, like for example, let us say I have removed background. Okay, so whatever. Okay, now I can remove all this. Okay, so keep changes or remove, discard changes. Okay, now I'm removing these areas, so I have removed some background, whatever. Okay, you have a lot of options to play around over here. But let us say if you are not satisfied, you want more options. Okay, so once you come onto your picture, okay, and right click, you see this format picture. Now once you click over there, you have this options over here. Okay, this is what is a task pane. Now as you work, as you progress with whatever you are doing, now for instance, let us say I want some shadow, I want some color. Okay, I want to add some blue color. Okay, I've added the blue color. Okay, as and when you are doing it, you can see the progress happening. Okay, so I'm adding to the transparency, the size, whatever you want. Okay, you can increase or decrease the blur. So this is what is a task pane. Okay, the angle, the distance, whatever, the reflection. Okay, whatever kind of reflection you wish, or so it's up to you. So it gives you ample opportunities or ample options to work around and play around with what you are doing, right? So this particular video wanted to teach you two major things. One is the dialog box launcher and the second one is the task pane. So now I hope you understood what is the purpose of both of them, and probably you will be using them quite often, quite frequently, as and when you need it. Number one. Number two, as your proficiency in Excel increases, right? So thank you for watching this video. Have a great day. Bye bye. Take care. Spread the good word.